dang it.
I told him if you didn't hurry up tap that son, bitch, I'm gonna have to go to them up.
Alright, you ready?
That's my hero.
Turn around, man. Turn around. He's full-blooded PBR.
They're keeping their feet up. They're making it up. Gear is a shoe in so far. That's some stiff competition there. Keep it in the lines. Keep advancing up the field. And you're not going to put down. Track is out.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
Come on, girl.
Oh yeah.
That's right, she's got one. She's got a good grip on it. There's number 3. Brown. He's going to change sides again. There's one down. There's 2. He's changing sides again. That's a driver's license test. Bevan Angel picked up 5. They put 4 down in 44 seconds. Special Ed and Steph picked up 5 and put 4 down in 39.24 seconds, making them the pick 'em up, put 'em down champion. Holy cow, that's a lot louder. On the world famous Rebel Spirit Mobile Burnout Pit. Oh, can they take a bite? Can she get it? Oh, she got it.
campsite. So you don't want to push that one home.
Here we go. They're going in. They're going in. There's the bike. Get a mouthful. Let's see what you got.
We have been so pleased to be doing this for a long time, and this year, after we award these incredible people their money, we will pass $120,000 that we have given to bikers charities. I think all these people deserve to be recognized, so we're going to give each one of them $300 to their charity of choice. Your third place, Bulldog Hero for 2022, President of the American Legion Riders of High Point, helps many vets in the community handrails, installing handicapped equipment. Let's hear it for Jimmy Street. Jimmy, come on up here. Your second place, Bulldog Hero, active military, co-founded the Leaders chapter in Southern Pines, our very own Fontana Palmer. Jimmy, we're going to give you $2,000 to your charity of choice. Fontana, we're giving you $3,000 to your charity of choice. And to your Bulldog Hero of the Year, just like our very first Hero of the Year, President of the Guardians of the Children for High Country, Jerry Ball. Jerry's been president for 2 years. He was a founding member of the chapter, and everyone says he has a heart of gold and just works his ass off. Jerry, congratulations. And for Jerry's efforts and your vote, your many votes, he's going to receive $5,000 to his charity of choice. Congratulations.
Here we go, brand new motorcycle. Can he do it? Go! Ready, set, go! Ready, set, go! Go! Right there! All right.
man has been bothering me about this contest for 365 days. He's the reason we've changed our judging forms. I believe you're familiar with the rules. Go ahead and mark that down. Go! Attaboy, I think he heard you. Do we have a mechanic in the house? He said he's got a screwdriver in his tent, he'll fix it. This is our second clutch gone today. Tyler Styles, motorcycle attorney for Topograph Motorcycle Law Group, which has the finals here for the $1,000 bike show.
Start with the sport class, a 2009 XR 1200, bike number 25, owned by Ricky Watkins. All right, next we got the chopper class. Again, not a ton of bikes in it, but really stiff competition. The winner of the chopper class was the 1997 Harley-Davidson Springer, and bike number 28, owned by Jerry Struts, at the microphone in the Sissy Bar. We were vacillating between two, but we ended up settling on bike number 11, a 2020 Road Glide owned by Ben Ferguson. All right, in the vintage class, again, two bikes we were stuck between. Ended up going with bike number 47. It's a 1978 FL8 Shovelhead owned by Terry, I'm gonna screw up your last name. Shibley. That one had a bunch of bikes in it. We ended up landing on a really sharp 2012 Harley-Davidson Wide Glide, bike number 46, owned by Chris Johnson. Kind of a club-style Dyna. Chris, you out there? Hey, there we go. All right, which takes us to the last bike, best in show for the day. $500 winner, the big trophy, was bike number 20. Dale, your name was written down funny. I don't remember what it's. Maybe Cowan. It's a 1967 Triumph. Beautiful little chopper. Dale, there you are. Come on up. All right, y'all. Thank you for coming out to Mayhem In Midway II.
All right, here comes Angel on the approach. He likes to go in hard. He's coming from the side. Oh, that's going to be painful. She's going back. Oh, God. Appreciate returning as the bike game sponsor. Here she goes. She said she didn't know how to do it, but she does. There. Oh! Points for the jump. Zach Shipwash, the Rebel Spirit, custom parts. Oh, pulling through! What's it got? Oh! Zach, the Rebel Spirit, wins $100 for his effort. This guy's a professional. Look at him, he's coming. He's got a firm grip. He's slowed down. But sponsored by Jaybird's Custom Cycles out of Salisbury, North Carolina. There's a $500 first place prize. Shelby, I'm looking at you. Oh my gosh, she squirted in the crowd. That's worth some points. That is some nasty shit right there. That came out of a trash can. That had a fucking beer keg in it. Don't drink that. Don't drink that. Obviously your mother has not taught you anything. At all.
Two bands.
Last year. All day, love it. Had a great time last year.
Yeah, we did too.
Everywhere side. It's got a bit
Let me tell you something. I probably carry bigger balls in these pants than you guys.
God almighty. Ted Nugent was harder than 5 flavored fruit punch.
I bet you'll
I was gonna say, if you see a goat fuck, he's gonna fart.